Confirmed. He is confirmed.
Mason Lee got it hung up on a pipe. She might put a lap on the whole field with 4.5 minutes remaining on the race clock. Second place is just a back stretch away from him.
The power is different. You have it in the safety zone all day. It's two thinking green time.
Can I put a marshal on the back, please? Are you marshal back there, Eddie? Let me get a marshal. Look at
Hours band. Two seats are posted on the north.
for that big hill. Once you guys get over, the starting order will be Camden, Chase Terrett, Connor Beck, Bam Bam, Slim Jim.
Whitecroft's still running out front, running only 3:20.12 with 3.5 minutes remaining on the race clock. Mason Lady 21.5 seconds running back in second. Kimbo 30.7 back in third. Holder 46.9 back in fourth. And Leonard 3.9 back in fifth. Yeah, we had 4 and we lost 2, right? Yeah. So it's all in all, take a lap of the coming over the front side double here onto the straightaway. Finish the lap route. She just ran a 27.703. Over the roller, the whip and double. The Indy double to the roller coaster. To the wall ride. To the roller section. Oh, she swings it wide. Tries to keep it in there. The center section double into the sweeper to the front side double. That is your lead. Dinner for lap drop. She just ran a 28.5. Mason Lady took your center section right now. That's the difference between your leader and your second place car. Mason Lady coming over the front side double. Onto the straightaway. 16.5 seconds back from that drop. Kimbo's over the back into the Indy double. That's the third place drop. 33.8 back for Mason Lady. Clap off. .130 remaining on the race clock. That drop out front run a 43.20.10. 16.5 back is Lay in second. Kimbo